Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix few emojis are missing from iPhone. So if there are few emojis which are missing from your iPhone, but it is on another iPhone, for example, in your friend's iPhone it is showing, but it is not showing in your iPhone. Here is the fix. So the very first fix is to simply update your iPhone. For this, go to settings, tap on general, now tap on software update. Now check for the update and wait for few seconds. And if the update is available, for example this update is available, update to iOS 18, simply tap on update now and enter your passcode and it will start downloading your update. So that's it. By updating your iPhone, once your iPhone is updated and it gets restart, the new emojis will be available to use.